have a very dedicated faculty here, and that is why we are able to strike a perfect balance between scholastic and post-scholastic. After schools, our teachers are here taking remedial classes for the weak students, and our faculty is dedicated and there for the students round the clock.
That's why DPS Aligarh organized first ever School T20 Invitational World Cup 2012 for boys, inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister UP Shri Akhilesh Yadav in this grand cricket ground, only with a noble thought at heart. In 2008, DPS Aligarh had organized Girlompics as per International Olympic standards to explore and hone the hidden efficacies of their bright girls and to find out young Sainas and Mary Coms for the country. This isn't all from the pack. This amazing institution runs a sports academy for cricket aspirants. The academy is open for any cricket lover across Aligarh and nearby areas along with DPS students. The meritorious players are facilitated to give trials for state and internationally acclaimed competitions. गिरते हैं घुड़सवार ही मैदाने जंग में, truly said. So if any of the Maharathi, student, does get hurt while playing, he will get immediate medication from the first aid clinic present in the school premises itself, having full-time doctors and nurses. Every wing has got its own first aid clinic, and that is how DPS Aligarh ensures high precautionary standards for their students. And if the Maharathi is advised by the doc to take rest for good and let himself away from the sports complex for a couple of days, then he could try his hand in art or music or dance or any recreational efficacy of this sort by resorting to the art room, dance room, or band room, dearly entitled to the students by DPS's rich infrastructure to scrape Hussains and Rahmans out of them. Especially by this time, try to restrict yourself to DPS's melodious orchestra band. Rather, Taekwondo Maharathi hit mein jari. For your information, this was majorly about DPS Aligarh Senior Wing, Junior Wing Agra Road and sister concern DPS Civil Lines have their well-defined and elaborated resources separately. DPS Aligarh's Junior Wing also abides strictly to the basic motto of DPS, that is, service before self. So they came up with noble efforts like Asha Kiran and Shiksha Kendra.
Asha Kiran is basically an institute for the spastic children, and we are almost having more than 30 children there, wherein we have very specialized teachers of special needs who are catering to the needs of those children, and we are trying to imbibe them into the mainstream through various kinds of specialized training programs like speech therapy, physiotherapy, and various other programs, just trying to make them self-reliant. You'll be surprised to know that we conducted a very mega event called Samagam, in which more than 3,000 students participated. Even these children also participated So we did this to boost up the morale of those students, such that we should not feel that they are somewhere outside. They are perfectly within our system.
Asha Kiran nurtures these differently abled students and strives hard to groom them at the most to connect these special students to the mainstream, while Shiksha Kendra, an in-house educational body for deprived students, around which offers DPS's rich resource base impartially to underprivileged children of the nearby areas and educates them free of cost.
We are having the students from the underprivileged section of the society, and for the same we are having a specialized branch for the students which are having multiple mental disabilities, and we are working for the upliftment of these children.
Hats off to DPS Aligarh Junior Wing. And with an equally impressive building, top-end infrastructure and disciplined students, DPS Civil Lines has reached the Parliament. No kidding at all. They periodically organize a flaring event, Parliament discussion, in their premises to boost confidence, quality and performance of their students.
Every development would have been better in the citizen because you people as well as the system, you take right from the people to provide for and money is the key of success.
My school is very nice. Our teachers use activity-based learnings and I never get bored of it. Our teachers are not partial, they give chance to everybody. They give chance us to improve on our mistakes, and we are also having a website of our school. In that website we can get our homework, daily homework, fee structure and circulars, information sheets and many more.
It also offers a range of distinctive activities like sculpture classes, Kathak dance classes, etc.
We have got 3 Delhi public schools in Aligarh, and Delhi public school, I feel we are more we incline towards more of education and life skill classes and behavioral sciences, where we teach our children that once they move out of the school, they have to be self-independent and able to face all the challenges of the future. A child with us for 12 to 14 years, after the child goes into the society, we wish the child becomes an independent citizen. He or she should have good moral values and a strong physique and an active adult. So for this reason, we teach them. We have regular value education classes. We have life skill classes also, where we teach our children to be able to adapt to any kind of circumstances ahead in future. We also have a lot of sports activities where we make our children physically, which helps children become more physically fit and participate in any kind of activities, competitions, which give them a lot of exposure and a lot of confidence building.
DPS Aligarh, nurturing dreams and fulfilling aspiration. The institution is now spreading its wings with the upcoming DPS Hathras project.
Delhi Public School Hathras is a dream project of KK Jain Educational Trust Aligarh, just to provide an opportunity to the large sections of the local populace of in and around Hathras for a quality education, and ultimately to streamline them in the progress of the society as well as the country.
No surprise that the venerable team of 65 Afghan delegates requested management of DPS Aligarh during their visitation to open such a well-equipped school in Afghanistan to facilitate overall development of their students. And when DPS Aligarh promises overall development, they abide to it. How? Let's peep a little in. Every institution is a beautiful blend of rigorous studies, lucrative curricular activities, and austere discipline. But DPS Aligarh leaps across by directly conforming the evolution of their students to the growth of the nation. With school events like Annual Day Celebration, Samagam, and celebration of important days and festivals, they incorporated unique events like Hindi Week, Sanskrit Divas, Vision 2020, workshops on noetic intelligence, DPS Kid Nanni Chan, a social initiative for empowerment of girl child and promoting harmony, Srijani, an academy for visual and performing arts to strengthen national roots among students.
We have very deep-seated Indian tradition imbibed in the heart of the children, and that we live by examples. We have already conducted certain rallies like 26th January, Republic Day, Save Indian Heritage, to tell our children that how and what is the importance of Indian heritage. Also, we conducted a very big mega event, T20 Invitational World Cup, to give the message of venturing into global peace and harmony. Our values are very, very strong seated, and it exhibits a perfect amalgamation of East and West.
Studies combined with play. Academic excellence combined with global peace. Why not to combine students with guardians? That's the DPS spirit, to maximize parent-teacher and students bonding. DPS Aligarh organizes separate workshops for parents and teachers. Management DPS facilitates the faculty via these workshops to update with recent teaching techniques and methodology.
DPS teachers are attending various seminars at Delhi. HRD Center, DPS Society is conducting workshops subject-wise, common for the teachers. CBSE conducts workshops. We also get the opportunity. Our administration freely sends us to attend such type of workshops.
Passion for excellence, an ideal remark for DPS Aligarh. They don't preach, but teach. This absolute dedication from school's management and staff wins them all praise and a number of accolades.
DPS अलीगढ़ की जो खास बात है कि वो सिर्फ एजुकेशन पे ही ध्यान नहीं रखता, बच्चे की ओवरऑल ग्रोथ, उसकी चाहे कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ हो, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ हो, हर चीज़ की ग्रोथ पे ध्यान रखता है। आजकल जहाँ आप देखें तो भाग दौड़ का ज़माना हो गया है, कंपटीशन का इतना ज़माना है, सब लोग सोचते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा सिर्फ एजुकेशन नहीं रहे, बल्कि हमारा मानना है एजुकेशन इज़ द मेन थिंग बट इज़ नॉट द ओनली थिंग। DPS अलीगढ़ के अंदर हम इस बात का स्पेशल ध्यान रखते हैं कि बच्चा हर चीज़ में, हर फील्ड में आगे निकले। वो हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, आप कह सकते हैं।
Much acclaimed, DPS Aligarh humbly dwells away from the maddening crowd of the district. It is 10 kilometers from Aligarh and 15 kilometers from Hathras, offering serene ambience for learning with secure accommodation to the students via well-marked transport network. A fleet of 50 well-maintained buses ensure students safe ferry to and fro with seating capacity of 55, 42 and 32 from all areas of Aligarh, Etah and Hathras districts. These buses are equipped with wireless and GPS tracking system and disciplined staff at the most.
मैं एक पत्रकार रहा हूँ और अभी तक 45 साल तक मैंने देश के सब बड़े अखबारों में काम किया है। बचपन से इच्छा थी कि शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में काम करूं। मैंने देखा कि अलीगढ़ में कोई भी 10+2 का इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल नहीं था 1998 तक। तो तब मैंने एक अच्छी शिक्षा गुणवत्ता के साथ एंड विद मॉरल वैल्यूज देने के लिए DPS सोसाइटी के साथ अनुबंध किया और अलीगढ़ में पहला 10+2 इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल खोला।
DPS Aligarh, an institution that has become the seat of learning, where young minds are molded and nurtured to become the leaders of tomorrow. An institution where these young minds transform themselves into tomorrow's responsible citizens.